going to give you guys some instruction on how to complete this assignment in D2L on intake and output. So this is an example of a flow sheet that you might see in a facility. Most of the time these are electronic now, so they will look a little bit different wherever you go. But I just want to go over some basic principles. So I'm going to do the first one for you, which is this one. And then the rest of the meals on the PowerPoint I want you to do yourself and submit to me. So we have Alice Mayfield eats lunch at 12:45 p.m. She eats her hot dog, carrots, and pie. She does not eat her vegetables. She drinks all of her water and half of her coffee. At 3 p.m. she voids 100 milliliters. Okay. So I have Alice Mayfield. So that is my patient name. Okay. You always want to put somebody's full name. Okay, I don't want to put Miss Mayfield because there might be more than one Mayfield. And then I'm going to put today's date. Today's date is 7/2/2020. Okay, so this is not vital signs that I'm documenting, so I'm going to come down here to intake. So her intake time is 12:45 p.m. So that's 12:45. And remember, we are documenting this in military time. So I'm not going to put 12:45 p.m. I'm just going to put 12:45. I don't need any semicolons. I don't need AM or PM behind it. The type is oral. The amount in milliliters. So it says she drinks half of her water, or all of her water and half of her coffee. So that is 6 ounces of water, and then half of the coffee would be 3 ounces. So that's 9 ounces altogether. So a calculation that you have to know for this class and forever in the future if you continue in this career is that 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Okay, so if I have 9 ounces, that's going to be 270 milliliters. And I want to always put the measurement behind the amount, like 270 what? It's 270 milliliters. So that's a little m, big L. And then I'm going to put my initials. Now I'm going to come down here to output. So her output time is 3 p.m. Remember, we're using military time, so I'm not going to put 3 p.m. I'm going to put 1500. This is urine. And the amount, it's nice, I don't have to calculate it, it's right there, it's 100 milliliters. And then I'm going to put my initials. Alright, so the meal type is or the intake type is a meal, okay. Oops. So I'll try to I'm just going to highlight it. It's a meal. About how much did she eat? So this can be difficult in the real world because you kind of have to guesstimate it. So she ate her hot dog, her carrots, and her pie. Okay, she did not eat these vegetables on the side. So I'm going to say that looks like about 75% to me. And the amount of fluid intake, again, this is going to be difficult because she drank about 3/4, so we're going to say that's 75%. This is never going to be exact, so you're never going to have 27.333%. You just need to figure out what it's closest to because most facilities, they just do 0, 25, 50, 75, 100%. If they've only had 1 or 2 bites, I don't even usually count that. Okay, so this portion here, you're going to put your signature. So for you guys, it's going to be SNA, DTCC, because you're a student nursing assistant from Del Tech. If you were doing this in pen, remember your documentation rules, so you would document in blue or black pen, okay? If you make a mistake, you would not scribble it out, you would just put 1 line and then your initials and fix it. And then this would be a signature, okay, so your personal signature. And that's basically it. So you're going to need to fill one of these out for the rest of the PowerPoint here. And if you do have any questions, just let me know.